pocket, pull out your wallet, put it in the air and sing.
I wanna be a billionaire so fucking bad. Buy all of the things I never had.
Kapag maganda ka, maraming naiinis sa'yo. Kapag pangit ka naman, nagagalit sila. O diba? Ang dami nilang problema.
Suterno. Best!
Dili ko manok, pero kaya na ko lumluman imong itlog. Uhahay!
China.
No! With your baby mama at the crib and blow her back out. Shorty Filipino and she call me Manny Pacquiao. Alley-oop without the hoop, they call me Jerry Stackhouse. Dazing out in public.
Alam kong gusto mo ko para sa'yo, pero baby hindi uubra. Kahit lumuha ka, pasensya kung ganto. Ako't hindi tulad ng iba. Baby, dito love story. I'm sorry kung
kung maganda ka, wag mo nang ipagyabang. Tignan mo ako. Tahimik lang.
Wangay naki. Do I find someone like you, girl? Take me to your heart, take me to your soul. Give me your hand before I'm old. Show me what lovers haven't got a clue. Show me that wonders can't be true. They say nothing lasts forever. We're only here today. Lovers now or never. Bring me far away. Take me to your heart. Take me to your soul. Give me your hand and hold me. Show me what love is. Be my guiding star. It's easy. Take me to your heart.
Ese cuerpito que tú tienes, el traje de baño chiquitito te queda. Esa blanquita con el sol y de una ya se pone morena.
Hey, girl, you have a perfect body with a perfect smile. Perfect body with a perfect smile.
Ça n'aura plus jamais du même amour. Oh, oh, terminé ici et les mers. Fin du parcours. Oh, oh, aïe. On peut bien le tourner comme on veut. Toi et moi, ça fait de mal. Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot, 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 hot? wish your girlfriend was hot like me? Don't you wish your girlfriend was a freak like me?
DJ Tyrone Remix.
Handa ka na ba pumunta?
Bigyan mo ko ng beat!
Piliin mo yung lalaking tanggap ka. Kahit may asawa ka na.
Alam mo, simula nung makilala kita, walang oras o araw na gusto kitang nakasama.
Hindi ko naman akalain na hindi ko rin inaasahan pa nang tulad mo ay aking makilala. At kung ano ako'y tanggap mo na, hindi ka rin nag-alilangan pa. Ikaw at ako'y hanggang wakas ay tayo ng dalawa. Maaari bang malaman ko kung feel mo nang sabihin, sana ay sabihin na ito. Di oras ng puso ko'y ikaw. Ang kami may katsong, ako na ang maliligaw. Hindi ko na kailangan ng pag-ibig. Pagod na ako sa kakaisip. Bakit ba kay ilap ng tadhana? Bakit kay sakit ang umasa?
You, I know you're everything that I've been looking for. And I look into your
Tanong mo sa akin kung sino aking mahal.